Hello friends, I hope you are looking for a best mini drone. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss mini drones which are best sold and achieve top rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Altair AA108 Mini Camera Drone. The Aerial AA108 camera drone is an awesome, beginner-friendly mini drone with excellent durability and performance. Easy to fly indoors. Comes with a 120-degree wide-angle 720p HD camera that takes amazing photos and videos in bird's-eye view right to your phone. Easy to fly and stable, offers 3 different skill levels to choose from, 1 for beginners, 2 for intermediate and 3 for advanced. This is a great drone with a camera for kids, beginners and pro pilots. It's a great mini camera drone for kids, but will also impress skilled flyers as well. Many impressive features in a small package. By simply pressing the takeoff button, the 108 will get in the air and hover in place, waiting for your input, thanks to the altitude hold technology. Another great feature for beginners is the custom flight routes. Use your smartphone to draw a custom flight line on your mobile screen, and the drone will fly according to your flight line. 2 safety alarms alert you to problems like low batteries or if the drone is drifting out of range. It comes with 2 batteries. Each battery lasts around 10 minutes. The Aerial AA108 camera drone is an awesome mini drone that has many features for an affordable price. Also available in a VR version with goggles and a monitor. Number 2. Holystone HS510 GPS Small Drone. The Holystone HS510 GPS drone is an affordable foldable quadcopter with brushless motors and a 4K UHD Wi-Fi camera that provides smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second and 2.7K video at 25 frames per second. Features 5 great flight modes that include Return Home, Tap Fly and Follow Me. A compact design in a fantastic mini camera drone that weighs less than 250 grams (0.55 pounds). Has 2 speed modes from low to high suitable for pilots of any level. Offers dual satellite connectivity using both GPS and GLONASS navigation systems. Comes with 2 easy-to-change modular LiPo batteries to double your flight time and a carrying case for easy transport. Easy to fly, right out of the box. Nice choice for beginners. About this item. 4K super resolution photos. It is able to use every single pixel, giving you crystal clear photos and film. This allows the camera to provide smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second, 2.7K video at 25 frames per second. HS510 is definitely a travel essential. Portable and ultralight, this 4K drone has a compact design in that the quadcopter arms and propeller blades can be folded. It is small, folded dimension 5.592.912.04 and weighs less than 250 grams (0.55 pounds). You don't need to register your drone with the government. Nice choice for beginners. Number 3. Tello Mini Drone with Camera. The Tello quadcopter drone is made by RIS with a little help from DJI and Intel. Tello's lightweight, yet durable design combined with software and hardware protections make it so you can always fly with confidence. Getting started is extra easy with the Tello app's friendly UI. An impressive little drone for kids and adults that's a blast to fly and helps users learn about coding with Scratch programming. If you're a more advanced user, you can also develop software applications for Tello using the Tello SDK. Standard features include auto takeoff landing, battery protection alerts go off when your battery gets low. Fail-safe protection lands safely, even if you lose connection. Tello shoots incredible photos and videos. The 5-megapixel camera records JPEG photos and 720p MP4 video. You can record pro-level videos with EZ shots. It allows you to record coordinated short videos with circle, 360, and up and away, then share them on social media from your smartphone. Electronic image stabilization helps you capture consistently clear images. Tello also has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. About this item. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, the Tello drone shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with EZ shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. Camera features 5MP, 2592x1936 photos and HD 720 videos at a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Number 4. Zerotech Dobby Pocket Review. This selfie drone features a highly portable design with a 13-megapixel camera that takes quality images and 1080p video at 30 fps. You use your iOS or Android smartphone app to control this drone. It's also small enough to fit in your backpack or purse. The onboard processing is handled by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which is powered by a 970 mAh battery. The drone flight is stabilized through the optical and ultrasonic sensors on the bottom of the drone. You can adjust the camera to 6 different positions so you can get the perfect shot. Any jerky flight movements are compensated for using the electronic image stabilization. The photos and videos you capture are stored on the internal 16 GB memory before being downloaded to your smartphone. The Dobby drone is a great choice if you are looking for a selfie drone. You do get impressive flight performance and stability, though the battery life could be improved. When you consider the size of the Dobby and its cost compared to other drones, the trade-offs are worth it. About this item: pocket-size rechargeable drone with dual satellite positioning and high-definition camera. Traditional one-button takeoff and landing as well as voice control, pat, or throw and flight takeoff methods. Easily control with your phone's swipe function or use the phone as a motion controller. Number 5. RUCO F11 Pro Mini Drone. The F11 Pro picks up a strong and upgraded 5G signal that's lag-less with a GPS locator that can pinpoint its height and location. This can also be a major help if it gets lost during a flight. You can create your own flight path here by simply drawing it on your phone's screen, having the drone follow up to 16 preset points with picture and video quality that's detailed and clean. With a relatively fast charge of 3.5 hours on the 2500 mAh battery, the F11 Pro can stay in the air up to 30 minutes and fly up to 500 meters at 26.8 miles per hour. There's no gimbal, but even still, this does an impressive job at remaining stable and silent, thanks in part to its brushless motors and strong wind resistance. It has a designated beginner mode and can stand up to some light damage from crashes and collisions, plus it comes with extra propellers too. About this Atimo and Plus experience splendid 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, vivid colors. Bring amazing views. The camera with a I-umlaut eye circumflex degrees FOV lens and times eye circumflex degrees adjustable camera gives a broad view of your memorable moment. O circumflex I circumflex %, and equipped with upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes flight time. The package together with one extra battery extends your flight time to 60 mins. This gives you more fun. 5V3A adapter. Do not use a charger over 5V3A and fast charging is prohibited. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box for products link.